Hey kids, we're gonna season a cast iron griddle here, and this works for whatever shape pan you're using. Now I'm just using a thing of bacon fat here and a paper towel. I'm gonna slather this on. Here's my fingers. Yay. Alright, and this one's a little too full. I'm going to grab some clean paper towels. Hang on a sec. Alright, I'm back. And we're just going to wait for this to start smoking. Already getting a little bit in the middle. There. It's starting to smoke. You can see that. And I'm going to wipe this off. Yes, that's hot. Okay, now it's smoking. I'm going to let it go till it looks like this fat is kind of dry. And it's almost there. And I'm using, I don't know, medium high heat. High heat's faster. That looks pretty good. I'm going to kill the heat. Do another wipe down. And yeah, you want to have your vent fan on. That's that noise. And I'm going to turn the fan up so it doesn't make the smoke detector go off. And that's it. See you later.